Alrighty, YouTubers, I have a special unboxing to do today. You guys can check them out on Amazon Prime. Link is going to be down below. This is the future now. Is here with 7 Tech 3D Pen V9. The future is now. We have product, Z-Tech 3D Pen. There's model number. 9V 2A. Nozzle. Weight. Filament. Key features is LCD screen. Look at that. Ceramic nozzle, safe for kiddies. So this would be a great beginners or intermediate use. 6 levels of speed. Perfect feeling. Easy to maintain and replace. Double click to continue feeding filament. Alrighty. Should be fun. Get your artsy out. See what's inside this box. We got the manual. Alrighty. Put that aside. We got it right here. Should be easy. Ooh. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. Definitely this could be a hot item for this holiday season. So if I want to ask Santa Claus, get one of these. There's the back. That's probably where you gotta fill it. Up top right there. It's probably to load. Find where the battery goes in a second. See what else we have in here. This goodie box. Alright. Got the cord. And we got colors. Filament. Nice. Got these two. Gold. Silver. Tons of goodies. And we got these. Got a neon set. So really cool package deal. Got everything you need to start you guys off. 7 Tech. Keep it right there. Gotta plug her in. Get her warmed up. Put one of these colors out. Now you can trace something. I'm gonna find a piece of paper. I can draw maybe something. Show you how it works. Plugging it in there. Bada boom. Hold on one second. Alrighty. We are plugged in. She is ready to go. We got the screen lit up. I think it says play. Oh boy. I just gotta find maybe silver. But I'm gonna try something. Now you can trace stuff, so I mean anything like logos on teams you could do. Pretty much everything. You can make dinosaurs. It's like a slinky, this stuff feels like. Slinky, slinky. I forgot how that song went. Oh yeah, trying to get these out. Come on, silver. Oh, maybe it's gonna do. Oh, come on. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Something is happening here. We are going to do a little thing here. So these are temperature increase is up here. Temperature decrease is down here. Unload fulfillment or filament right here. To load it is down here. And these are the speed buttons right here. And this is the LCD screen, the DC socket. The loading hole is right there also, right next to it. Right there, see it? So, we're going to start this up, see how this goes. My first attempt. Should have enough cord length. Just gotta try to find some room to maneuver. That more. There we go. Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, it's going. Here we go. Oh shit. Dang it. Can't be perfect all the time. Dang. Oh man. I will get better. But you see that right there? I can definitely smell it. Okay, down there. It came out better. It's gonna be hot, so be careful. Don't touch it like that. That's why I'm wearing gloves right now. There we go. Oh yeah, she's hot, so be careful. What? There we go. So you can make yourself a mini play button. And there we go. Well, once you get the better hang of it, you will get a lot better image of doing stuff like this. But that's what it kind of looks like. Not the best, but I see people do dinosaurs on it, so you could do pretty much anything you could imagine. But right there is a 3D play button. So definitely check these guys out. Let's see. I'll probably do a second one, 'cause that one's kind of choppy. Be right back. Alrighty, I want to show you guys this part also. Um, to reload a new one, it's got a, look at that. There you go. And boom, that one's out. So we'll take another one. I need a different color that you guys can see. Silver's kind of tough, but I was trying to make it to match my silver. But like I said, once I get really good at these, I'll probably do a little update on my Instagram page also once I get better handle on these. So this is my second one that I've been using. The first one was okay. It was like definitely a beginner, but this is more a little advanced but nicer made. Definitely for kids could use it, and young adults, especially if you guys are bored and maybe want to try something different. This would be a good way to go. So just take this part of the gold. I think this is gold. What did you guys think? Stick it in here. I think it's this one. There it goes. That is crazy. Okay. Yeah, just be careful touching this area. Unless you unplug it, let it sit for a few, then you'll be good to go. But it's kind of hard doing the limited space I have right here. But no excuses, we're to try it once again. There we go. Any second. Here she goes. Oh, I got some silver in it. Oh well. Oh shoot. Oh no. And like I said, you gotta take a little time to get used to it. Dang, I screwed up there. Kind of like the smell. And like I say, you can switch it out to different color. All depends on what you're creating. Like I said, I'm no expert at this, but once I get it going, I'll be alright. You can make like Spider-Man stuff for Halloween, for Christmas. All kinds of nifty things. Whatever your heart desires. I should have just did an emoji. I'm gonna hook on that. Here we go. Something different to do. Especially on rainy days, snowy days. Can't sleep at night. This will help you relax and create. And like I say, you can do a lot of cool little projects. Like I said, cool Halloween designs you could do, like pumpkins, ghosts. And Christmas you could do Santa Claus, Rudolph. It's like spaghetti. There we go. But they are simple to use, simple to install, not that messy to use, as you can see. My hands are not the best at shakiness, but pretty steady. Sorry for the long video, but this is really cool. Just make sure you plug it off, turn it off, unplug it when you're done. And you can always buy the replacement filaments. I'll have the links down below for those also. And like I said, check out their other goodies they have too. But this is really cool. Thank you guys over at 7 Tech. And YouTubers definitely just be a cool stocking stuffer, or even like a birthday gift, just because gift, best friend's day gift. And if you know somebody that's into arts, that'd be really cool. So it's hot. Almost done here. Just finishing up the minor touches. Oh, there we go. I think I screwed up there a little bit. I think I can fix it. I'll just finish it up. Oh no. There it goes. There it goes. Now just unplug it. Boom. And let it cool off. Oh boy. Well, it's not the greatest one, but definitely it'll do for a good demo. But see, I screwed up here. Now if I would have got rid of this, it would have looked alright. You kind of looks like it. Like I said, minor. Always cut these two. Let's see if I could snip. That doesn't look too bad. Not too shabby, except for here. Like I said, if I would have got another weekend on this, that would be a lot more sturdier and know a little bit more, but I think I did pretty good for the first time. Looks alright. If you guys want this, let me know. Drop a comment. I'll send you this little YouTube golden play art. So, but now if I snip these, I can't have this holding. So, like I said, almost perfect. The next one I'll do will be a lot better, and I'll have that on my Instagram once I get this video uploaded later on tonight. So, definitely pretty cool though. Look at it, it's pretty thick. And like I said, once you get like if you do like a dinosaur, you can put it together. There's just so many different colors to choose from. We got the neons. This should be fun. Definitely gonna do a play button on this one. So stay tuned for that. But definitely check them out, YouTubers. Link will be down below. 7 Tech, Amazon Prime. There you go. Be safe. Have a good day. See ya.